In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the too many requests error in Outlook Hotmail. If Outlook or Hotmail keeps showing a too many requests message, it usually means your browser has stored data that's interfering with the sign-in process, or one of your browser extensions is causing a conflict. The good news is that this is usually a quick fix, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open your browser. Once it's open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots to open the browser menu. From there, click on Settings. This is where you'll find the options needed to clear the stored site data that may be triggering the error. After you're in Settings, go to Privacy and Security. Depending on your browser version, the layout may look slightly different, but the wording should be very similar. Inside that section, click on Third-Party Cookies. This area gives you access to stored website information, including cookies and cached data that can sometimes prevent Outlook from working properly. Next, click on See All Site Data. You should now see a search bar that lets you look for data connected to a specific website. In that search box, type Outlook. This will help filter the results so you can find the saved Outlook or Hotmail-related data more quickly instead of scrolling through everything manually. Once the Outlook-related site data appears, select it and click Delete. This removes the stored browser data connected to Outlook, which can often reset the issue and stop the too many requests error from appearing. After deleting it, you may need to sign in again, which is completely normal. If the issue still continues, there's one more thing you can try. Go back to your browser and click on Extensions. Then temporarily turn off your extensions. Some browser extensions, especially privacy tools, ad blockers, or security add-ons, can interfere with Microsoft sign-in pages and trigger repeated request errors. Turning them off helps you check whether one of them is causing the problem. After disabling the extensions, try opening Outlook or Hotmail again and see if the error is gone. If it works, you can turn your extensions back on one at a time later to identify which one caused the conflict. That's it. By clearing the Outlook site data and disabling extensions, you can usually fix this problem quickly and get back into your email without the repeated request error.